Hi guys, I'm Josh Lundy with Refresh LED, and this is the RX41. The RX41 is Refresh's premier touring grade panel with all the specs and features you're going to need for any broadcast or virtual production. Basically, if you're going to be pointing a camera at it, the RX41 is what you want. So let's dive into some specs. Starting off on the front, we have an industry-leading 4-in-1 LED diode that has over 2.5 times the collision rating than a regular SMD. These aren't only a lot tougher, but they also have a 99.8% coverage of the DCI-P3 color gamut. With that color, you've also got an improved contrast ratio over 20% from the previous SMD diodes. Now, going off of that, we also have a 7680 refresh rate, which comes standard, and also a 116 scan rate, which makes it perfect for virtual production. So while we're talking about the module, I'm going to show you a couple cool features. On the back side, we've got keyed connections, keyed guide pins, and directional arrows to make swapping out a module as easy as possible. As you can see, this is a Refresh LED product. From the upgraded handles to the backplate, we've designed the RX41 to be the most user-friendly product available. Some other cool features of the RX41 include the test button up at the top, we've got an upgraded corner protector, and then an optional curving system which allow you to curve the screen at a 3 or 6 degree concave or convex angle. So let's talk about some internal components and the connections on this. You've got your standard power con in and out, ether con right below it, and then on the bottom we've added a backup RJ45 connection for your data. If you need to troubleshoot it, that makes it really easy. Now on the inside, we have a very easy to service power supply. You've got a thumb screw up at the top and then you just pull it out to be able to swap it. You've got our Novastar A8 card and a small internal test button. The RX41 is purpose-built to be used for ground support or rigged installations. This makes it perfect for rentals, broadcast, virtual production environments, and anywhere you want a great-looking LED screen. Thanks for watching this video. We can't wait to see how awesome the RX41 looks in your space. Once again, I'm Josh Lundy. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you soon.